In this video I'm going to show you how to start a group test message on iPhone. So if you want to create a group chat with your friends or family, here's how to do it. You open up your messages and from there you click on the top right icon, that's this like pencil. From here you just want to select people or add people, so add like one person, add a second person, or you can even add more persons. And basically, as you see, their names are green. That's because if only one person doesn't have iMessages turned on or they have an Android, it will be added as a normal message. If all of them were blue, you would be able to have all the iMessages benefits. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.